Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made these cute distressed denim shorts at home. So the supplies that you'll need are a pair of jeans, mine are thrifted, a pair of fabric scissors, sandpaper, and tweezers. So I started with a really rough cut just so that I can try on the jeans easier, and then once I tried them on, I made estimate markings on the front and the back of how long I wanted the shorts to be. Then I'm going to connect those markings that I made with a curved line, making the back of the shorts slightly longer than the front. As I'm sketching out these lines, I'm double checking to make sure that the left and right leg are symmetrical as I go. This step doesn't need to be perfect, but now I'm taking out the pockets so that I don't accidentally cut them, and then I'm creating cuts just below the markings that I made. Now that it's easier to see what the shorts will look like, I'm going to create closer cuts to the markings that I made and also compare the two sides as I go. So when I get to this step, I'll try on the shorts a few more times and then make more markings where I feel they could be improved to my liking. Once I'm satisfied with the length of my shorts, I then move on to distressing. So I started by creating parallel lines that are perpendicular to the vertical threads of the jeans. So now I'm going in with tweezers to pick out all of the vertical threads that I cut. I'm also going in to make some more parallel lines, being careful of the white threads so that I don't cut them, and then this creates a less boxy look. I'm also adding more distressing to the hem with some sandpaper, just roughly going over the edge so that threads will fall out. I also use tweezers here to pull out some more threads. After this step, I threw my shorts in the dryer so that the distressing would thicken and fluff. And here's the finished product.